students, today our topic is at the end of the First World War. Germany defeated by the Triple Entente. What are the impacts to identification after getting the First World War? Versailles imposed many insultings and restrictions on Germany. Treaty of Versailles is only the restricted and imposed to the Germany. It creates a reaction to rise of the Hitler. That is the main cause to the Second World War. And 1919, the situation of the world. Already we know the First World War duration period is 1914 to 1918. In 1999, it is main important causes to arise of the Germany. Here, the different impacts of on wars. Mainly, three categories of the impacts we can identify in the history. The first one is the political impact. Second one is the economical impact. Third one is the other impacts. Now we should take the political impacts. The political impacts are also most important for the purpose of that next war. The first one, British domination decreased by the two world wars. Before the First World War and Second World War, the Britishers are also dominated all over the country in case of the trades and commerce. They created the colonies. Just like it is a one dictatorship across all the world, so it is decreased during the period of the Second World War. And the second one, USA and USSR become the super blocks of the Second World War. Alright, you know, the two blocks are there. These are only the bipolar systems. The USA and the USSR, two are also a great blocks of the bipolar system. And the next one, European domination ended on Asia. Before the Second World War, the domination of all countries, the imperialistic countries are dominated to the colonial countries. And here, the France, Portugal, Holland, they lost their powers after the Second World War. These are the political impacts after the Second World War. And the next one is the economical impacts. Economical impacts, already we know, after the First World War, after the Second World War, the economical crises are also arised. Harry Capson arised their views. The 20th century is the great historical change of the age. The world markets are also got the great loss during the world wars. And next, more than 1 crore of the people are died in the First World War and 2.5 crore were died of the people in the Second World War. The span of life is were decreased. And the terrible position is also occurred during the world wars. And the warships, airplanes and properties were destroyed after the First and Second World Wars. These are the economical impacts on the world. And next, the other impacts, United Nations was also established. After the First World War, the League of Nations was established. After the Second World War, the United Nations organization was established to create the peace, to solve the problems. And democracy was established. Before the democracy, there are so many autocracy, aristocracy, and dictatorship, and so on. After the First and Second World Wars, all countries are also walked towards the direction of the democracy. Thank you.